Alright guys, this is a new little bike we got. This is one I got from Greg, dude with the bug, and pretty cool. He picked up a couple of these things. These are Suzuki RV90s. This is a 72 model, and then the one he kept is a 74, and he's getting it all painted up and nice and pretty, so it's gonna be a really cool bike. This one was technically the parts bike, and it's pretty neat. He got it all running, and we got it over here and did a couple more things to it, and now it's running really good. And we've been having a blast on them today. And I got the headlight for it and needs a few other pieces, but it's a running riding bike. This is Daddy's old 84. Is it 84 or 85? One of the two. It's 84, 85. But old XR80. It's a fun little bike, 4-stroke. That was 2-stroke. And then we got Cameron's bike out here. It says Monster Moto MM80. And this is like a little like Coleman style mini bike. But this is a thing he learned how to ride a motorcycle on. He's pretty good at it too, aren't you, Cameron? So we gotta teach him how to ride a clutch here pretty soon. But this thing does good. It pulls him fine, really good. So we decided we should probably get some brakes on here. This front brake, it seems to be like locked down cable or the drum or something. It's just not working. So that was going to take a little bit more time. The rear one, the rod was just too short on here. So we've taken it off. We're going to weld on some more rod to it to extend it. And then it seems like it'll actually work. So Daddy's actually over here now getting this set up. And about to weld this together just to extend our rod out here. Check out this old Budweiser sign we got. It's all neon, pretty cool stuff. We're gonna get those hooked up. Cameron's gonna go ride for a minute.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna ride my bike right now. If I could do something. Here we go. Starting.
All right guys, we got a rod, got a little weld on there. So now we got this piece right here, got a small hole in there. This will drop into there. We've got a washer and a tiny little cotter pin. So that will go on here. Sink the cotter pin through it. And we should have some brakes now. A little bit of adjusting. Should be there.
Dad's been doing this like all day, kind of. Yeah.